PCB design software is not new. What is new is the complexity and the sophistication of electromechanical products that engineers develop today. In addition to the pressure to innovate, engineers are always faced with tight project timelines and budgets. Hello, my name is Inji. I've been working as an electrical engineer and PCB designer for many years. Like you, I've brought designs to market and been frustrated by inefficient workflows. I'm truly excited to introduce you to a better solution, SOLIDWORKS PCB. Whether you're looking to bridge the gap between the electrical and mechanical teams, or update your PCB design tools with an awesome professional design solution, SOLIDWORKS PCB opens new opportunities to decrease your product development costs, reduce risk, and improve your efficiency to market. When it comes to timelines, there are some big delay drivers. Electromechanical collaboration is typically done through emails, sticky notes, and exported files. This is no longer sufficient or adequate given today's market demands. Also, the schematic capture is usually done in one package, and the PCB layout is done in another. As the design goes through many iterations, how do you know your electrical design data is in sync without manually checking? When it comes to budget, there are significant underlying expenses. More than 50% of PCB design time is spent on activities like looking for components, data sheets, and supplier information. By streamlining this admin work, you can redirect the labor expense to drive more profit. And, according to the Aberdeen Group, the cost of a relatively complex PCB prototype averages about $8,900. And it's common to have 2, 4, or even more prototypes. Look, I get it. Iterations are needed to get the product right. But how many of these iterations are due to preventable errors, like electromechanical miscommunication? SOLIDWORKS PCB offers unparalleled electrical and mechanical integration engineers crave, and intuitive and powerful design capabilities you need to drive product development. I would encourage you, as a leader, to examine your design process, to evaluate how SOLIDWORKS PCB can help you lower costs, reduce risk, and shorten time to market.